Welcome to all Guide to Stock Market channel. Hope you all fine. Let's go into the today's presentation. Disclaimer: this entire video is only for educational purpose. So today's topic is Greek's gamma. So if you continue our previous videos, we are talking about the option trading basics, and this is the part 3. Already in previous video we have seen the Greeks of delta, so this is gamma. If some new viewers seeing this video, we have given the link of delta video in below description. Please try to understand the delta, because gamma is a subsequent topic to delta, so watching delta would be best before watching gamma. Okay, let's go to today's topic. So already, as we seen, the below parameters determines the option price, okay, in option trading. So delta, gamma, theta and vega. So in that already we have seen the delta. Today we are going to see gamma. So what is gamma? So it is very similar to delta. Okay, it is very similar to delta. In delta we will determine it is a rate of change of the option price with increase or decrease in spot price of any index derivative stocks. Okay, so the gamma is rate of change of delta. Okay, so this delta value will give additional aid to the delta so that the movement of stock price will be good. Okay, so in other terms, if price of a stock price rise by ₹1, the expected rate of change in delta is called gamma. Okay, let's do a simple calculation in upcoming slides, so it will be very much easier for you. Okay, so another thing is that gamma will be always in positive values. Okay, if you see delta, we have seen it is in positive and negative. For calls it will be 0 to +1, for put it will be 0 to -1, so it varies between -1 to 1. So here gamma will be always in positive value. Okay, so let's go for some small calculation how to do this. So similar to delta, we have considered the latest traded price is 200. Okay, so LTP is 200, option premium is 10, the delta is 0.5. This entire setup already seen in delta video. The additional we have included here is gamma 0.05. okay, so latest traded price 200. This is the parameters what it has been given. So let's see if the price increases to 201, increases by 1 rupee. Okay, so now the LTP is 201, new premium will be 10.55. how? Okay, so in this gamma is additionally added with delta. Okay, 0.5 plus 0.05, this will give 0.55, which is equal to 10.55. so this is for increase. Okay, so what will be for decrease? If from 200 if the price decreases to 199, what will happen? So here new premium will be 9.55. okay, so the 0.05 will be got reduced from delta, so 0.45 will be the value. So 0.45 minusing from the premium 10 give 9.55. okay, so this is scenario 1 with positive gamma. Okay, positive delta. So we are going to scenario 2 with negative delta. Already this also we seen in delta video. So additionally we are using a gamma of 0.03. so if it increases by LTP increases by 1 rupee, okay, the premium will traded at 9.78. okay, it is a negative delta, positive gamma. So if LTP decreases by 199, the minus by 1 rupee, the premium will be 10.28. okay, see the summation symbols here. If there is put, we need to put the minus before gamma value. Okay, so this is the overall understanding If you have any doubt, please see the same example of delta. In delta also we have explained the same setup. Here only we have added the gamma. Okay, here it will be 10.5, here it will be 9.5, here it will be around I think 9.75, this will be 10.25. So there is an increase in 0.03 here and 0.05 here. Okay, that is the difference. So gamma is not giving a much support to the delta. It's giving but not in a high range. If we buy one or two lot, if you are using multiple lot of 10 15, then gamma will give you a good result, because this gamma is adding to our delta. So finally this entire delta is giving the premium is high, so we'll have good profit. Okay, so this is gamma explanation. So where to find gamma? As I already told, this is the sensible option data. Any users can open this free account. So, okay, so here as already seen, this is Reliance Futures option chain. Here is a call delta, here is put delta. So if you see here, there is gamma. To see this, you need to activate this Greek. Normally it will be in off position. You need to on this Greeks. Okay, then only theta, vega, gamma, delta all will be there. Okay, so this is gamma. For the current trading price 1240, this is the at the money. For this it is high 0.03. If you see the lowest 0.002, 003, 002. Okay, 0.003. This is the maximum gamma value. Okay, hope you find this video is helpful for you. So thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more videos. See you next time.